Since the beginning of recorded time, man has searched the cosmos, reached deep into the secrets of the universe for evidence of life from other galaxies. Are we alone? Join us now as we take you on a fantastic
Universe and You program terminated. Access granted for MIV training.
Hurry up, rookies. We haven't got all day. Come on, hustle. Time's a wasting, scrubs.
You heard the man? Make like you're doing and move it. Yeah. Ugly duckly artichokes. Welcome to the Men in Black training facility. We're gonna put those skills to the test to see if we become the very best of the best, like yours truly, of course. Now, if that so happens to not be the case, that is quite unfortunate. I really do apologize from the deepest part of my heart. No, but really get good. Better luck next time. Womp, 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 womp. That's just kind of how the cookie crumbles. Sorry, not sorry. Yikes. No, but really it'll be just fine, just A-okay. No one remember these events anyway. And it looks like a good bunch of you won't either. So, try your best, be your best, and make good choices. Capiche? Come on. My point made exactly. Have fun and good luck. You're definitely gonna need it. Go zap those buds. Zip zap, zip zap, and one for good measure. Bye.
Greetings, rookies. Zed here. Sorry about this funny theme park nonsense. Welcome to MIB Agent Training. Find out if you're the best of the best. But don't get your hopes up. This ain't no cakewalk. Zed out.
Agent Zed, please call Immigration Control immediately. Zed, please call Immigration Control. Agent Artillery.
Before you get to wear the suit of honor, you're going to be tested in all these areas, like with this.
An official MIB training field. These mean machines allow us to test 6 recruits at once.
overcoating other conspicuous clothing may be concealing alien features. And how about this frequency? Where's the alien feature? One supermarket at a time. With proper training and a little MRD elbow grease, soon you too will be able to separate the herd while it's right in front of your eyes. This isn't a pile of fruit. It's the bigger gang of space merry-go-rounds, taking over our planet one supermarket at a time. With proper training and a little MRD.
That red button, don't even dream of clicking. That kind of shooting is not going to get you a suit. Let's go, let's go!
Emergency. Training sequence aborted.
Hold your fire! Our shipment of alien bad guys has crashed, landed, smacked, damn, and all of it.
Weapons energized to full power.
Everybody in the streets. This is not a drill. Your eyes open. You can be hiding your arm anywhere. Serious deal. Time to roll up the booster mat and kill these misfits what we're made of. Better split up. Just got a report that some bugs have infested the MIB fleet. None of them actually checked. This won't hurt a bit.
Bioscan initiated. Warning, alien life forms detected.
Look out! The other car is full of bugs. Aim for the fusion exhaust. What are you waiting for? The glazed invitation?
I think they hit us.
Under Times Square, and it's huge. It's game face on, y'all. We are into overtime. We got a massive rolling tunnel under Times Square. It's going to take a hell of a lot more than a kid.
Oh boy!
Oh my God!
Crisis mode engaged. Deploying subatomic
Let's check with the coach.
Hello, baby. Try again.
Come on. Average. Okay, I'll take it. Better than Bugman.
Not bad, Slick. Not good enough.
Wasn't that right about? Why do I feel this?
Buttons. My finger hurts. We're supposed to have a break already. I could do better than that guy did right there. If you wanted to be MIB, huh? How come you don't have the suit? You were so good, you wouldn't be going back home. All day long, I push the buttons. That's right. They get to go have fun. What do I do? I push the buttons.